Hi guys, today I'm going to make a makeup brushes holder, which is combined of two cylinders. One is a bit shorter than the other. I will start with the first cylinder and let's start.
Okay, Nir is now lifting the first mug up. That was kinda quick and easy. Time for the second, taller one. We have both of the parts ready. Let's leave them for a few days. They have to dry a bit. Now they are leather hard, so Nir can trim the bottom. He never forgets to sign the pieces and add our super cool Illuminati stamp. This part is a bit tricky. He's starting to connect two cylinders together. Now he's measuring more or less where the parts are going to join. The lines on the shorter cylinder are drawn, so he can cut it accordingly. Few alterations to make sure the angles are correct. And he can score the taller cylinder and apply some wet clay there. Yeah, like puzzle pieces. A bit of blending and it shouldn't fall apart. It looks decent, let's leave it till it dries completely. My part is to paint this makeup holder with underglazes. I already prepared the design and I will be filling it in using pink, black, white and red underglaze. I didn't record all the process of painting as it took me ages and you would die from boredom watching it. I will only mention I usually put 3 coats of each single color. After I painted it, we fired it for the first time. After the first firing, we're gonna glaze it. As always, Nir applies wax on the bottom part of our piece. When the wax is dry, he's dipping the mug in a bucket of translucent glaze. And of course, after that, it's ready for the second firing. That's the final effect after the second firing. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you think about it. It's kinda cute, I think, and what is more important, it fits all my makeup brushes. If you are into pottery videos, in the description box down below you will find links to our previous ones. For example, making a hand-carved mug, making a one-piece chopstick coffee jar, or a large marble effect vase. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss new videos. I upload every Friday and Sunday. Don't forget you can also visit me on my social media, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!